Hi, my name's Ned Nelson. I'm from NYTC Noise Stop Systems and Best Build Acoustic Renovations. I'm here today at 111 Emerald in the penthouse suite that we're building a reference quality music room. This particular premises used to be a residential area, 2-floor. We've ripped everything out and we're building this reference quality room. The amazing thing about this room is it's going to hold a surround system that is using Magico, I hope I've pronounced that right, which is, I think many people, if you research into this, it's one of the most expensive speaker systems in the world. You know, it's the cream of the cream, the speaker system. So what we've done here is we wanted to get rid of any of the outdoor influences. We wanted to reduce as much as possible the impact of these speakers to the neighbours, the upstairs unit, which is same owner, and the downstairs unit. So what we've got in here, we've got our noise block DFB, we've got triple B, we've got the day glow mat, the impact mat, HDF board. We're also using viscoelastic polymer sealants to go around all the edges. We've got floating floor in, we've got floating ceiling, floating walls. It's, you know, it's very, very serious stuff that we're doing over here. And after we've finished our shell, which we're almost about to finish, we're going to put the glass in and we're going to put the doors in. If you're building a reference quality room, you've got to be very specific about what you do in order to make sure that you get the right results. Someone's just buzzing in on the door, I think. So what do I mean by that? I mean that you need to use specific materials in a specific system and design it according to what speakers you want to put into the room. Look at the speaker information, find out the frequencies that you want to have, what sort of music that you want to listen to. If you're like me, I like heavy bass, electro, punk, you know, drum and bass, hard house, stuff that's banging. So I need something that is able to contain the amount of low bass frequencies at such a high amplitude that I like to listen to without upsetting everyone in the building. At the same time, I don't want the energy to escape from the room, which would then create a much lesser enjoyment level. So in other words, the euphony would not be as good in the room. So we've got a lot of stuff going on here. If you have any questions about building recording studios, or you've got questions about building reference quality rooms, music rooms, theatres, you can just let me know. Lastly, in the ceiling, if the owner gives us permission to do so, we would be installing a primitive root diffuser for the entire ceiling area, and that's something that's never been done in a residential property, especially to the level of diffusion that we're looking at, which, you know, we're talking about something that's going to have 20 millimeter as the lowest point and 600 millimeter as the longest point, and there's probably going to be a total of maybe 10,000 of these different diffusive elements in this room. So it's pretty impressive. So if you've got any questions, do let me know. Some of the questions you can just put below the video and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you again soon.